Okay, so I'm going to explain the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. Okay, so what's the difference? Difference is that uh, most most of my clients, like most of the people which I've worked for or worked with, who are new to WordPress, they make one very big mistake, and one very big mistake is that they think that WordPress.com is same as WordPress.org. Okay, so if you're if you're coming from a website, like website builder or a website builder such as Wix, Squarespace, or ClickFunnels, or this kind of website building services, the one thing is that they provide you the platform, they provide you the hosting. Okay, they provide they what they do is that they have the hosting, they have the remote computer where they host your website. Okay, so you need to log in over there and then build your website. Okay, same as over here. So this is WordPress.com. If you want to start build a website on WordPress.com, you'll need to create an account in WordPress. Okay, you'll need to create account on WordPress, and then you need to um, then you can build the site. But the problem is that WordPress.com comes with quite a bit of restriction. It is not self-hosted. Okay, the problem with WordPress.com is that if you build a website over here, then in order for you to install themes and plugins and get the full freedom, you'll need to upgrade to their higher packages. You'll need to pay more. Okay, so that's the problem. Uh, that's a problem. And if you're coming from a platform such as Wix or Squarespace or any other kind of platform like that, then the problem remains the same. If for example, if you have a Wix website, okay, if your website is on Wix, and then for some reason Wix decides to increase the pricing, then you have nothing to do. You will have to accept that. But that's the problem over here. So you will face the same problem over here. If WordPress.com decides to increase their price, then you can do anything about it. You'll have to accept it. Okay. But the thing with that WordPress.org is that it provides uh, it provides you just the software. Okay. If you click over here, if you come to WordPress.org, there is a single button over here, Get WordPress, and over here you uh, get the latest version of WordPress. You are able to latest version of WordPress. You can download it as a file, and you can install it in any of the hosting platforms. Okay, you can install any of the hosting platforms you like. Um, for example, I would recommend, for example, I'd recommend Bluehost. Bluehost, for example, so you can download the software from here, and then you can just simply get a hosting such as Bluehost, and you can install this WordPress.org over here, file over here. And the thing is that if you get Bluehost, you don't even need to download this over here because they already have the file on the system, which you can easily install it using one click. Okay, and then you get, by default, you get all the freedom you need, such as installing themes and plugins. You can also edit the website codes. You get all the freedom. Okay, and if you think the pricing is high for Bluehost, then you can simply get another hosting from Namecheap, such as Namecheap is another hosting. You can also buy the hosting from over here for a lower price. So the thing with WordPress.org, they provide you the software, okay, for you to download, and you can get any hosting, and you can install the WordPress.org WordPress software with full freedom. So if you don't like any pricing of any hosting, and the cost will be simply the cost of the hosting. WordPress will be free with all the features and updates. Okay. So the cost will only depend on the domain and hosting. Okay. And if you feel that the hosting is being unfair, if they suddenly increase their price, you can simply switch to another hosting with your website without your website being unaffected. So that's the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. And definitely, I would suggest anyone who is migrating to WordPress or looking forward to create a new website using WordPress, I'll definitely suggest you that you simply purchase a good hosting provider with your good support, such as Bluehost, and then simply install the WordPress over there and get the full features and app support. Okay. So that's the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So let's go to the next part of the video. Thank you.